a chance to learn new things, and it's not expensive, and there's lots of ramps. I normally meet up with my friends, and I meet some new people.
What I like about it, just doing it yourself, really. It's fun with friends too, but it's a sport that you don't have to be necessarily in a team with.
I'm Daniel Bettinelli and I work at the youth center. I've been working here for 4 years and I love my job. We do the skateboard lessons so kids who don't know how to skateboard can come in and learn. We set up the ramps every night and people come in, skateboard, do their thing. There's ping pong, foosball, air hockey, pool, tons of things to do.
My name is Daniel and I really like skateboarding. And I'm new to it. Like I just started a year ago I think, and I think it's really fun.
I'm Scott McIntyre and just here for some drop-in flipside. But one thing I like about coming here is that me and all my friends can come hang out. Whenever it's open, usually every night we come out and skateboard. All kids from everywhere just come around, all Caledon, just have a fun time together. It's good fun.